Today, I'd like to make a thankfulness tree. I'll explain what a thankfulness tree is in just a moment, but if you'd like to do this craft, I'll tell you the things that you'll need. One thing you'll need is a stick. And this morning, I went out in my yard and I found this stick that had fallen off a tree. And I picked the leaves off that were still on the branches, and then I took my stick and I put it down in a pot of dirt. Inside this basket is a garden pot, and it's filled with potting soil. And so I put the stick down into the potting soil, and then I had some Spanish moss, and I put the Spanish moss around my stick, and then I put the pot down into this decorative basket just to make my thankfulness tree appealing. I've seen people paint their thankfulness tree different colors or multiple colors, but I really like the natural look of this branch. So I wanted to keep this branch just the way it was, the way we would have found it in nature. All right, so the purpose of a thankfulness tree is, it's a tree. Of course, this isn't a living tree. It's a branch that broke off of a living tree. So there's no real mess or cleanup unless you knock the potting soil over. So this is something that you could sit in the corner and look at, and it would be pretty, but you wouldn't have to water it or take care of it. But the thankfulness tree, what it is, it's a holder for the things in which you're thankful. Now I'll explain that a little more as we go. What I have done, I enjoy eating ice cream. Do you like ice cream? I love to eat ice cream. And off the little cartons of ice cream, I kept the aluminum tops. So when I would open a carton of ice cream, I would keep the aluminum top, and then I would discard the rest of the carton after I was done eating ice cream. And what I did is I washed these really well. So then, with my hole punch, and this, by the way, is my great-grandmother's hole punch, and I'm still using it. Isn't that something? I took my hole punch and I made a hole in the aluminum top off the ice cream container to make an ornament like this. You see the hole. Now, I made ornament hangers from pipe cleaners, and you could get your special adult to help you make these hangers. All I did is I took a long pipe cleaner and I cut it a couple of different times, and that's something you could get your adult to help you with, because it's difficult to cut a pipe cleaner. You need something like wire cutters to do that and do it proficiently. So I took wire cutters and I cut my pipe cleaner, and then I bent over each end to make a hook. And I'll show you why. Because with my ice cream tops, I wrote things for which I'm thankful. One of the things I'm thankful for is you. I'm thankful that we have an opportunity to spend time together each week, and I'm thankful for you. So I will put my hook on my ornament that says you, and then I will put this part of the hook, the other end of the hook, on my thankfulness tree. Thankful for you. I've made some others. You may not know how to write yet, and that's okay. This is just a picture. If you know how to draw pictures, then draw pictures of the things for which you are thankful. I am thankful for happy people. I'm thankful for smiles. I'm thankful to be happy. I'm thankful to smile. So I'm thankful for smiles. I'll hang that right here on our thankfulness tree. My next ornament says family. I'm thankful for family. I'll place family right here. My next ornament says friends. It reads friends. So I will put friends right here. I am thankful to have many wonderful friends. You are one of my friends too. I am thankful for Sonia. Sonia is my wife, and I am very thankful for my wife, Sonia. And I will put a thankfulness ornament on my tree with my wife's name. Oh, I am thankful for life, for the breath that we breathe, to get up each day and enjoy each day. I am very thankful for life. I will put life on our thankfulness tree. There we go. Let's see, music. I am very thankful for music. Music is a big part of my life. And I'll put music right here on our thankfulness tree. Now I made one more very special ornament to put on our thankfulness tree. And it's made from something other than an ice cream top. I can't remember what kind of top this was, but it's clear. You can see through it. The reason it's clear is to remind me every day to look for more things for which I'm thankful. There might be things right now that I'm thankful for that I hadn't even thought of. And this clear ornament reminds me to keep looking every day for other things to be thankful for. And I'm going to put that right here on our tree. That represents other things for me to look for, to be thankful for each day. Well, I hope you and your special adult will take a little time today or sometime in the upcoming weeks to make your very own thankfulness tree. If you fill your tree up with things for which you're thankful, you can take the ornaments off and make more ornaments and write down all the things you're thankful for or draw pictures of all the things you're thankful for. And then if it fills up again, you can make more, and then you can interchange. You can keep your ornaments and interchange them periodically. But this is a good reminder of all the things for which we have to be thankful. I hope you'll take a little time today for Thanksgiving and to be thankful. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and click the alerts for future videos. Join me at chuckhartman.com.